Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. When life gives you lemons, you find carrots, apples, and ginger and make this delicious juice. This recipe is a piece of cake. Trying to find a way to stop aging is something humans have been doing since the beginning of time. There is no way to keep from aging, but nowadays we know it's possible to slow it down. With the right diet, humans can avoid sickness, skin problems, memory loss, and other common ailments that affect the population more and more every day. The ingredients of this juice have amazing health benefits, such as 1. Lemons. They eliminate toxins, alkalize blood, reduce blood pressure, and fight infections, especially the ones transmitted through the air. 2. Carrots. They contain beta-carotene, which transforms into vitamin A, and great levels of vitamin C and E, making them a powerful vegetable. This recipe is great for your eye health because of these two ingredients. Furthermore, eating carrots regularly protects you from cancer, strengthens your heart, and is good for your gums and teeth. They have so many benefits that lots of lotions and cosmetics that promise you smoother, brighter skin contain carrots. 3. Ginger. Prevents ulcers from forming, reduces cholesterol, helps restore intestinal flora, relieves migraines, and reduces swelling. And on top of all these benefits, ginger can relieve pain caused by rheumatoid arthritis and other joint-related chronic diseases. 4. Apples. Apples are rich in fiber, which favor the immune system and are great if you want to lose weight. And that's not all. Apples have antioxidants that are responsible for preventing sicknesses and keeping the kidneys and liver in good shape. This sweet and spicy drink is full of health-related benefits and has an amazing color. Just 1 cup gives you your daily amount of vitamin A and C, along with other nutrients that are essential to keep your body, skin, and vision healthy. Here are the ingredients of this incredible juice. Ingredients: half a cup of lemon juice, 4 carrots, 1 2-centimeter piece of ginger root, 3 apples. Instructions: peel, cut, and wash all the ingredients. Once that is done, blend them all together until you have an even mixture. Drink this juice on an empty stomach every morning to better benefit from its properties. What are your favorite juice recipes? Feel free to share them with us. And if you make this juice, tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.